Excuse me, everyone. Now that I have your attention.
Hi all, welcome to Unity Motorsport Spin Fest.
Live to Unity Motorsport 2024. We are live Unity Motorsport.
You know we don't play. Stay out. Give me my cape. Look it, I'm flying away. Rockstar cream of the crop. Make spot. Cherry on top. This one can't be stopped. Shot. It's really like that. Don't believe me, just
Motorsport 2024.
We are the Triple S. The Omega. Unity Motors.
Unity Motorsport. Always from Humansdorp.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, Tagalo! How old is this boy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When yes,
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Guys, yeah, thank you so much for attending Unity Motorsport Spin Fest 2024. Yeah, I mean, you guys could see today it was a success. It was a massive show. So I think we still have approximately 2,000 people, yeah? So yeah, here's what it is. Oh yeah!
oh yeah!
Don't believe me, just watch.
Unity. See us there.
Thank you.
The car.